Hello all, welcome back to online course Excel. This session will be about data filtering. In this session we will discuss about how to extract data based on some criteria. Data filtering is all about filtering the data whatever we want based on some criteria. Here we have a sales data. Based on the sales data we will see how to filter the data. In this session we will discuss about three things to filter. First thing will be filtering the data based on date, and second filtering will be based on the text, and third filtering will be based on the values. This is the data we are going to use it for filtering the data. Here we have details like order ID, order date, customer name, country, region, product ID, product category, subcategory, and the sales value. Here we have the date of order, and now we are interested in knowing about the sales that happened only in 2020 or 19 or 21 or something. So how to filter data based on date is, we need to apply a filter option into this data table. How to insert filter option into data table is, keep anywhere into your table, go to data menu, from there you select filter option. This funnel shaped icon will help you to insert a filter option into your table. You just see, when filter option is inserted into your table, you can see some drop downs onto your field headings. So using this drop downs, you can filter data based on your criteria. Here we are going to filter data based on the date. So once I click on this drop down, I can see a list of items to be done. So first item will be short oldest to newest, and second will be short newest to oldest. Let us see what happens when you do on this. Let us go one by one. Short oldest to newest. What happens will be, the oldest one, the very first date in the given data sheet will be displayed in the first, and later on the latest one comes. When we move on to the next one, that is a short newest to oldest, what happens will be, the newest will be displayed in the first, and while we are proceeding down, the older one will be displaying there. So this way you can sort data based on newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And now we go for filtering data based on year wise. Here this database is having 4 years of data, and that starts from 2019 to 2022. If I am interested in knowing about the sales that happened in 2019 only, what I can do is, I can deselect all and I can select only 2019. After selecting 2019, I can click OK. So the table will be filtered, and the data which are related to 2019 only will be displayed here. If I want to remove this filter, again I can go back to this filter column and I can say clear filter from order date. So when I click on that, all my previous data will be relieved. Then in the same way you can identify or get data related to year wise data. If you are interested in knowing about further more data, you can use this date filter option. Date filter option will give you lots of options to be used. So if you look at this, equals, before, after, between, tomorrow, today, yesterday, next week, this week, last week. Likewise, you have a variety of options to be used. So I am interested in knowing about the previous year's sales. The previous year's sales I want to know. So today the current date in my system is 2020. So if I click on last year, the sales that happened in 2019 will be filtered to me. You just see, yes. So all transactions that took place in 2019, that is being filtered and displayed to me. So this way you can use this filter option in MS Excel. So this filtering activity we are doing based on the dates. So the same way you can do it for last week, last month, next quarter, next year, or whatever you want. See, when I click on next year, I can get the details for next year. So here the purpose why we have mentioned it as 2021, 22 and 23 is when we prepare yearly budgets, right? Say for example, if you are going with a long-term plan and if you are having a very detailed plan about what you are going to do for the next 2 years or 3 years, this way you can filter your data and you can easily identify what are you going to do in which month, which year or which quarter or in which day. Likewise, you can filter the data for your easy understanding purpose. So this way we can filter data based on the dates. The next filtering option will be filtering based on the text available in the cells or columns. So for that we go with the regions column. So in regions column we have different regions like east, west, south, north and even some central. So I am interested in knowing about the sales that happened in eastern region alone. So to do that, I can go with the drop down of region. There I can select only this central or east or whatever I want. So before proceeding that, I can deselect all and I can go with east. So I am interested in knowing about the sales happened in eastern region. So I am selecting it as east. So the moment we click on it, only the eastern region's sales will be displayed here. If I don't want this filter, I can go to this option again. I can clear the filter, right? If I want to put it in ascending order or in descending order, I can do that. Again, going back to this filter option, I can use this short A to Z or short Z to A. There is another option called short by color. If we have given any colors to this cells, then we can filter it based on the colors. Let me show you one thing. So I am marking yellow colors to two different cells. Now I want to filter those cells which have yellow color highlighted cells. How do I do that? Go to filter option, select filter by color. So once I click filter by color, I can see all the available colors in my data. So here I am using only yellow color. So I am clicking on yellow. Only the yellow color highlighted cells will be displayed. This way I can filter data based on color also. I can remove it by using this clear filter option. Third one will be filtering data based on numbers. For that we have a sales value here. This sales value can be used to demonstrate filtering the data based on values or based on numbers. How do I do that? Go to drop down menu. Here I can again see smallest to largest or largest to smallest value, or again by sort by colors, number filters, and by default we have a list of items to be selected from. Okay, I am interested in knowing about those values which are less than 1000. So here we do not have any value less than 1000. So let me keep it as less than 2000. So we want to filter those data which are less than 2000. Okay, going to filter option. Here going to number options. There I can see these options: equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average. And if you are not satisfied with these available options, I can go with custom filters also. Here I am going to less than option. There I need to mention it as 2000. So what you are going to filter? Those values which are less than 2000. So mention the value and click OK. So what happens? All those values which are less than 2000 alone is getting filtered. This way you can filter values by using some criteria. So the other methods can be like, even we can go with this greater than numbers, less than number, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, between two numbers, top 10, above average, below average, and likewise, right? So this is about using of filtering option in Excel. The next session will be about using of advanced filtering in Excel.